Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Air filter replacement on your Subaru Outback is a 2011. If yours looks pretty much like this, it'll probably work. Here's our item right here. Mass airflow sensor on here. Got the disconnected clamp here. Use an 8mm or 5/16 or a flat blade screwdriver. You can see how these things fit right here on the end. Down there in the little holes. Your air filter. Sits right in there. So I'm going to drop this down to fight with this a little bit. Little notch right there. Fits in there. Got the hose that fits in here. Like that. We do have this, which is probably going to go on the inside of the hose. Thusly, this little pin in here. Probably you don't have to take it out for the air cleaner assembly. I was doing something else probably. Probably squeeze it out of there. This hose here. Air filter replacement. I hope I've shown you enough on this video so that you can do the job yourself. Little tab here, you push down if you need to. Push down and get a little screwdriver in there and disconnect that if you need to.